Imagine this. You're 35, still renting, watching your paycheck vanish before it even lands in your bank account, still wondering if you'll ever break free from the grind. But what if I told you that by 2025, I quit my job, tripled my income, and never looked back? And no, it wasn't crypto, dropshipping, or some secret hack. Instead, it was a side hustle so simple, you'll kick yourself for not starting sooner. I know what you're thinking. Oh, sure, another YouTuber making wild claims. Fair, but stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn spare time into a wealth machine without drowning in complicated strategies. Let's rewind to 2023. I was you, working 50-hour weeks, drowning in student debt, and driving a '99 Corolla held together by duct tape and prayers. Spoiler, it broke down one final time in rush hour traffic. I was humiliated, broke, exhausted, and furious with myself. But the worst part, I knew I was smarter than my paycheck, yet fear kept me stuck. Fear of failure. Fear of looking stupid to friends and family. Does that sound familiar? Inflation wasn't slowing down, rent kept climbing, and my 9-to-5 paycheck, it wasn't saving me, it was barely keeping me afloat. If you keep waiting for someday, it never comes. Someday becomes never. But then, I stumbled across something called the rule of 1%. It wasn't some magical mindset shift, it was pure math. If you improve by just 1% every day, you're 37x better in a year. That's the power of compounding growth. And that's how I found the side hustle that would change my life. Most videos would tell you to start a podcast or sell print-on-demand t-shirts. My hustle? Something far simpler but way more effective. Digital arbitrage. No inventory, no expensive courses, no fancy skills required. Here's how it works. You find undervalued items, relist them on a different platform, and keep the difference. But here's the thing. Success didn't happen overnight. Month 1. Lost $500. Month 2. Lost another $300. I was frustrated but too stubborn to quit. I felt like a failure. Every night, I questioned if I was wasting time. Sound familiar? And then, one night, after weeks of tweaking my process, a breakthrough happened. I discovered AI-powered vintage reselling. By using simple AI tools to scan thrift store photos and identify hidden gems, I unlocked a goldmine no one else was talking about. $1,000 month, then $5,000 month after month. The sales rolled in. I kept improving the process, optimizing listings, and building relationships with vendors. But it didn't stop there. It scaled beyond my wildest dreams. And I didn't need a business degree or tech genius level skills to do it. By 2025, I'd made $327,000 from my couch, in pajamas, and I was just getting started. No, I'm not here to sell you a course, but I will tell you this. The key wasn't just the hustle, it was the mindset shift I made along the way. You have two choices. You can keep consuming or start creating. Every tool you need is already at your fingertips. The only thing holding you back is how you use your time. So ask yourself this: will you control your time, or let your time control you? Now, let's get practical. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps I use to build my income. Step 1. Research undervalued items. Look for niche items with a passionate dealer base. Step 2. Leverage AI tools. Use image recognition apps to identify valuable items faster. Step 3. Create irresistible listings. Focus on great photos and clear descriptions to boost sales. If you're ready to escape the rat race but keep thinking, what if I fail? Watch my next video, the 3 deadly side hustle mistakes that kept me broke. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get you paid. Your future self will Venmo you a thank you.